Once your TripWorks account is set up and ready to go, the last step is to make sure you're adding the booking widgets to your website. To do so, go ahead and select the gear icon on your dashboard, and then it will bring you to your setup and configuration menu here. If you scroll down to the bottom, under e-commerce and booking widgets, you're going to go ahead and select create a widget. This will bring you over to the section where you can create a booking widget for your website. You have two options here. You can create a URL link that you can use in emails. You can paste this onto your Book Now buttons on your website, and you can also send this directly to your customers so that they can book your experiences. The second option here is to choose the link option. You can show a gallery of your experiences, which will show all experiences in your account. You can show a calendar, a specific experience, certain dates, just gift cards, or all experiences in a category if you have categories set up on your account. Once you select your desired option, you do have two additional options here. You can include experience details. So if you have photos and information about the tour and duration information set up, you can choose to either show that or hide it. I'll show you an example of both. And then if you do have vouchers set up or choose a date later, you can choose to show that by default. Let's take a look by copying the link to the clipboard. And we're going to open a new tab. And this is what it would look like if you were showing details during checkout. Your customers would see all of your options here on the booking widget. They can select an option, and then they will see your images, any details you have, and then the calendar and time slots here on the right. Heading back over to the booking widget, let's say we decided to exclude those experience details and link to a specific experience. We're going to copy that to the clipboard and then paste it here in our other tab. So as you can see here, this is just a view of the calendar, tickets, and the time slots. So we no longer see those details on the right-hand side. Instead, we're just looking at the experience and we're selecting a date and time. So either one of these are great options. It just depends on how you'd like the look and feel of your widget to be presented on your website. Heading back over to create a widget, the next option is you can embed a booking calendar on your website. Scrolling down, you have the same option to link to a specific experience or all experiences. And this is kind of what the calendar would look like. So it would sit right on your website. Your customer can select a date, and then they would move on through the booking process and select their time. At the bottom, you'll see it says install now. When you click this, whether you're choosing to just grab the URL link or if you'd like to grab the embedded calendar link, for both options, you want to make sure you're installing the TripWorks script on your website. So you're going to copy this script and you're going to paste it in the head tag of your website. And that way, this ensures that the TripWorks booking widget opens in the same page on your site rather than opening in a separate tab. So you're going to copy this to the clipboard and do this step first. And then you're going to copy either the embedded calendar or you're going to go copy the URL link. And then you can start adding these to all your booking buttons throughout your website. Now, we do recommend reaching out to either a developer on your side, a web that handles your website, or our support team so we can walk you through how to add these links if you're having any trouble. If you have any questions, let us know, and we're happy to walk through on a call or a screen share to get your widget up and running on your website. Thank you.